This is the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and I've got a secret tip for you today. So, if you ever have to do the low pressure oil pump on a 6.0 Power Stroke Ford from 2005 and on, you need a special tool to put this ring on, or do ya? So, what I ended up doing here was, because I didn't know that when I came out here on this job. In fact, I didn't know I'd have to remove the low pressure oil pump at all. But I saw that tool and I thought, well, let me give this a try. It's getting near the end of the day, and I was gonna head home and just get the part from a dealership. But then all of a sudden I thought, well, I started putting it on, you know, real nice and straight with a rubber mallet or a dead blow hammer, wherever that went. Oh, it's over there. So I was using that dead blow hammer and I got it going pretty nice and straight. And then I thought, wait a second, we've got a press right here. We've got our own press. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is your press for that little seal there. All you got to do is get the seal going on about halfway, and then you just put this on as if you were tightening it down normal. The balancer here, and you just take each one a quarter of a turn or half a turn or whatever. You just go slow. I had my little M12 Milwaukee wrench, so I just would go little here, little there, little here, little there, little here, there, and I just went in the star pattern like this, and I just kept doing that until it went all the way down. And I thought, well, maybe that'll be close enough. But ladies and gentlemen, it is perfect. When it went all the way down, that seal was pressed perfectly into place, exactly where it came out from. So you got your own press. You don't have to borrow that tool or buy it. Just run your harmonic balancer down on top of that, just as is. Start it out nice and straight, real gentle with a rubber mallet. And then once those can grab, put those in and just tighten it down real nice and gentle in a star pattern. And as you can see, it went on just perfectly with no marks on the edge there. And I'm quite pleased. That was just a little thought I had, and it worked out rather well. So that's your tip of the day. This is the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. Check out our other videos, but this one may save you some time. Might not get many views, but hopefully it helps out those who are trying to save a little bit and do the job themselves, because you got your own press. We'll see you on the next one. Consider subscribing.